Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. As I was saying, explaining the importance of this topic, I said it is present in our daily lives. Everyone is having it. And secondly, it is hardly discussed and explained by our leaders and our scholars. And secondly, most of the time trying to understand what is happening to them, Muslim or non-Muslim or people in general, are going to take some actions which can lead them, if it's for a Muslim, can lead the person outside of the boundaries of Islam. And now we see the importance because the dream can send you or push you to do something which can lead you out of your religion. So you have to be very careful. When you dream, you have to be careful to whom you have been sending the dream for the person to give you the meaning. So today it is common. Everyone, when we are dreaming, just wake up and we just do or explain to each and everyone that we see or any person that we give. But in Islam, what are supposed to be the attitudes of the Muslim toward the dreams? So what we've seen, and the Imams have been denouncing three things linked to the dreams and the action that people are doing after having them. So the first one is that some people engage in some sacrifices, killing of animals, and things that they have been understanding through the dreams. Or they'll be calling an imam, or they'll be calling a leader, or they'll be calling a knowledgeable person or someone they trust, and they'll be explaining the dream to the person, saying that I saw this and this food or this animal or this chicken or this goat, and the person will tell you, okay, you have to sacrifice an animal, that inshallah it will prevent you, or it will stop this problem coming out of it. So you have to be careful, because sacrificing for Allah or for something else is an act of worship. If you do it and it's not for the right the right God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or something else, it means you'll be worshipping that thing. So this is why it is important for especially Raqis, those who are doing Ruqya. It's very important for them to know very well this subject, so that people who have been even to other places where people were asking them to kill an animal and they have done it, they know that there is a link, a strong link between those sacrifices and worshiping the jinns in general. And that one is showing that it's very risky when you just follow any information given out of the dream that you had. The second thing that the scholars have seen is to see people creating like a kind of part of the deen, sect. Some of the sects, unfortunately, I'm not saying this one to hurt anyone, but there are some kind of sects you see that were created in Islam or in the religion because someone is believing to have received something from God, from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and is thinking that he's having a mission or something that he has to do, that he'll be able to convey that message. And the third one is people changing even a religion based on the dream that they have. That you are a Muslim and you just dream today seeing someone looking like Jesus, even if you don't know who is Jesus, but the person will pretend to be Jesus in the dream, telling you that, oh, Christianity is better than Islam. And when the person will be seeing this one, he will think that, oh, God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking me to change my religion, and he'll be leaving Islam and go to Christianity, or be leaving Christianity to come to Islam. So all of those things based on the dreams that they had, and because they couldn't have a clear understanding of whatever was coming out of it, inshallah.